Hello from Slovenia again. I will do cup bottom reverse flower dip again, and I mixed some deep turquoise with pearl white, and I mixed permanent violet with pearl white, pearl medium, Vallejo pearl medium I should say. And I have my pearl white and permanent red violet and deep turquoise and sky blue light and prism violet. And let's see if this will create any lacing. Both of those paints that I mixed with pearl medium are opaque, so I hope that it will give us some lacing. So next will be this permanent red violet. And next will be pearl white. And this deep turquoise. And this pearl violet. And sky blue. Oop. Yes, sky blue. This one is a little on the thick side. I will just add a splash of water because it is a little thicker than other paints. Just a second, just that I will prepare it, but I can't mix it under the canvas because I'm afraid that I will splash some paint. And maybe my pearl white is thick too. And prism violet. And I will just go once more with this pearl turquoise. I will add a splash of water in my pearl white too because it's a little thick too, I think. If your paints are too thick, you will not get much of a lacing, but if they are too thin, you will get too much of it and it could take over your other colors. So that's why it's just important to have your consistency quite right. This is better. And turquoise. I will put all the brands and the colors that I use in the description box of this video, so you can check them if you will like this flower, so that you can use this combination too if you like it. And pearl white again. And prism violet at the end. I love violets. Okay, I can spray my napkin with water. Okay. Let's move this. Just do some petals. You can do it differently if you want. I will just leave this like it is. And napkin. One half and the other half of my painting. Make sure that your napkin touches your paint everywhere. And now to the lifting part. And again, I didn't do it quite okay. I'm not sure what is going on with the lifting part with me lately, but I definitely struggle. Maybe I just think too much while I'm doing it because I'm struggling lately, so Maybe this is the problem. So I'll just try to touch the center and then spin it a little bit. I will just spin it over because I'm not sure. I didn't get much lacing of that pearl that I mixed with violet. But that one with turquoise does react a little bit, so I will leave it like it is, but I'm really not sure if I like this combination or not. You see, I did get some lacing with this turquoise pearl and some with the other violet pearl too, but I don't know. It's not so bad, but not something really special neither. Maybe I would need some darker, I don't know, color too, so, but not bad. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.